Have a good day everyone, and today we will see how to create a section arrow marker as attribute dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Drawing units, UN enter, millimeters, okay. Go polyline, PL enter, start point, click, width, W enter, start width, 0, enter, end width, 3, enter, length 3 mm, enter, again type width, W enter, start width 0.3, enter, end width 0.3, enter, okay, length 3.5 mm, enter, length 3.5 mm, enter, okay, exit line, L enter, first point, length 2.5 mm, enter, okay, exit, mirror, MI enter, select object, mirror line, enter, okay. Okay, now go home tab, block, define attribute, attribute tag name, IA, prompt, IA, default, X, text setting, justification, middle center, select, text style, T3, text height 3.00, okay. Click here, repeat define attribute, tag, IB, prompt, IB, default, X, justification, middle center, text style, T3, 3.00, text height, okay. Click here, okay. Now go block, B enter, block name, arrow marker, select object, select, enter, pick point, click here, block unit, millimeters, open in block editor, untick, okay, okay. Go parameters, base point, click here, parameter, linear, repeat linear, parameter, point, click here, repeat point, okay. Now go construction, select line, enter, enter, convert, okay. Select distance 1 and distance 2 parameter, go properties, number of grips 1, okay, exit, position 1 and position 2, select, go properties, chain action, yes, okay, exit, action, move, select position 1, select text, enter, action, move, select position 2, select attribute text, okay, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select position 1 and arrow, select, okay, enter, action, stretch, select distance to parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, select stretch to, go properties, angle 180, enter. Okay, exit. Parameters, rotation, base point, click here, angle 360, enter. Okay, action, rotate, select rotation parameter, select position 1, position 2, arrow, select distance 1, distance 2, select arrow. Okay, enter. Go parameters, flip, click here, click here, click here. Okay, action, flip, select parameter, select position 1, position 2, arrow, select arrow. Okay, select rotation parameter. Okay, enter. Okay, now right click, rotate action, action selection set, modify selection set. Okay, now select flip parameter, enter, enter. Okay, now save block, close block editor. Okay, let's see, stretch, flip, flip, rotate, okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.